So now for the recipe, friends. Recipe of this beautiful dish. First, making of the pakoras. That is the most important one. Onions sliced or cut as you wish, and ingredients as I show you: cumin powder, salt, and in gram flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. And now we'll add a little bit of water, start to mix. This stage is crucial because there should be no lumps in the gram flour. Mix slowly, adding water slowly and slowly. And this mix must not be very loose, it should be like this. The batter should cling on to the onions. And let's fry. And we fry them in small batches so that they don't stick together and they don't clump together. Because if they do, then they will not cook properly. And we'll fry till the time the entire batter is used. So once these pakoras are ready, you'll know as soon as the fragrance starts to fill the air and the color changes to goldenish brownish and the pakoras become crisp. So our pakoras are ready. Now with the next stage of making the kadhi pakora. The kadhi now. We'll take curd and mix the curd with gram flour. A light mix, again ensuring there are no lumps, and mix thoroughly. Patiently, thoroughly. There should be no lumps. And any natural salt, as I always say. Turmeric powder. Get it saying. And red chili powder. Coriander powder. And don't change the specifications of the ingredients. Cumin powder. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. Once done, we'll set it aside. And now for the first tadka. Now I have taken mustard oil. Now mustard oil, Punjabi food is generally made in mustard oil with fenugreek seeds. So once they have sizzled, we'll add the gram flour and the curd mix. And when it begins to boil, now this is very important, when it begins to boil, add half the pakoris only. Don't add the entire lot. These pakoris will become a little soft. And then add a little bit of natural salt, taste, and allow the curry to cook. Stir. Once the fragrance starts filling the air, oil is seen separating, and the color becomes golden brown, it's time to switch off the flames. How does it look? Is the pakodi ready? Is the kadhi pakora ready? No, not yet. We'll go. Punjabi kadhi pakora is basically, it has a second temper also. So here we are. Now for the second temper, fenugreek seeds again, mustard oil again, and the mustard oil is freshly extracted, and red chili whole along with few sprigs of curry. And when it sizzles and sizzles and sizzles and sizzles, it's time to take the tadka off the flame and pour it over the curry. Now our Punjabi Kadhi Pokora is actually ready to be served. And serve this with boiled, steamed, fried rice, pulao, roti, naan, paratha, anything. And enjoy with all your known and unknown, near and dear, relations and relatives, friends and foes, and your enemies also. And till the time we meet again with another video or a recipe, is thanks for watching. Bye and have a nice time, friends. But as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.